everybody. This is Tammy Shaw Sykes, pain relief and posture alignment specialist. If you have not had an opportunity to subscribe to our station, click on the button below that says subscribe, because we are going to be updating our shift posture breaks on a regular basis. There are some posture breaks in there that are good to get up and moving, to sit at your desk while doing. So we're going to be continually adding to those and want you to be informed on how to do that. The best thing we can do to keep our bodies out of pain is to keep them moving. Muscle imbalances are actually the #1 cause for low back pain. We don't need that. We can prevent a lot of that. So I hope you subscribe to our shift posture breaks and hope to see you soon. Shift posture break for low back. When we're doing a lot of sitting, then we're traveling in a car, maybe we're traveling in a car, traveling in an airplane, we're doing a lot of bent like this. Shortens up our muscles, everything here gets tight. So we're gonna just gently, you can do this in a grocery store line. I have some of my people doing that actually in the community garden as well. Especially after you're doing a lot of things where you're kind of hunched over and then you get up and your things are really stiff. All you need to do is stand, arm as straight as you can, and just, I call it the tush push. You're just gently pushing your hand forward. You're going to be engaging these muscles, looking forward, and inhale to the top of your head. Exhale down to your feet. Inhale up, down to the bottom of your feet. Inhale up, down to your bottom of the feet, and relax. Helps to stretch out as well as strengthen. Go out to the other side and do it again. Again, it's just arm as straight as you can. So the hand is more off to the side, just gently pushing. You're not reaching back behind, because that's going to involve your shoulders. We want this to involve just the core. So you're going to be pressing the back of your hand in towards your tush, looking forward, because that's going to keep your spine aligned. And you inhale to the top of your head. So it's engaging here and strengthening that shoulder to kind of keep it back. And exhale. And inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. And relax. It's a great isometric exercise. When we hold our breath, we sometimes go and, or sometimes when we say hold, we hold our breath. So that's why I like to include the breathing in. It really helps with alignment. You want to do that 3 times on one, 3 to 5 times on one side, 3 to 5 times on the other. That stretches out these muscles that tend to roll forward the more sitting that we do. So it stretches these out while engaging in our whole core. And because we're doing it standing, we're engaged, it's making it and breathing up to the top of our head. We're engaging even our neck muscles all the way down to the feet. It's what we call the tush push. It's simple, it's easy. 3 times, 3 to 5 times one side, 3 to 5 times, and repeat that 3 times. You can do it throughout the day, it's not gonna matter. But what is gonna happen is you're gonna get stronger core muscles. These shoulders should go back. It shouldn't cause any pain. And like I said, it's straight and just basically, I'm just barely, here's my hand. I'm just barely onto the side and I'm pushing the back of my hand. See how that just engaged right there? And relax. So it's called the tush push for a shift posture break. Again, if you haven't subscribed, please click below. We'll be adding more exercises each week.